Hello, dear tutors and mates. My name is Shalom Ulloa. I'm gonna talk about the teacher develop um, according with this semester. This is the task number 4, and our tutor is Oscar Javier Borges. I'm gonna talk about the both units, Unit 1 and Unit 2. The first unit is talk about the role of the teacher qualities, and in this part, most of the readings talk about the importance of the teacher in the life and the society because they share many things. Teach in another way for motivate the students in order to improve and develop their skills. The students can be uh, uh, we can use qualifications for the students, but the teachers needs to be qualified because it's important to recognize if the teacher is develop the good process for the students. Since the teacher develop is for like a experience and improve the idea is to improving the behavior of the society. um, this research, we can understand how we can improve the education according with the students' opinion, with some servers, how the teacher can change the students' main. Also, the idea with the qualification for the teacher is to know about the implementation, the strategies for how the teacher use for improve the second language in this case, or another things in order to improve the skills in the students. To the other hand, we have the unit number 2. In the unit number 2, the title is the contribution of research to teachers' development. The teacher development is very important in order to improve the teacher skills, since it allows to be good teacher and develop many strategies for helping the students and learn as a teacher. In this case, the idea is to know what the teacher is doing in the classroom or with the students in order to improve the skills of the students. There are different research in the second unit. There are, I think, 5 readings. We can see different activities in order to develop the process in the student. The idea is the teacher can give or create many strategies with their students, since there are many approach methodologies and techniques that the teacher can use for develop different strategies in the student for improving the knowledge, and they can have a good learning teaching process. However, the education needs to focus about different approach methodologies, and those can work for having a good result in the education. Remember, the teacher is not all, but is an important actor in the teacher education. Um, eh, Also, one of the authors want to research that the real context is very important in the students and in the classroom, and it's a good strategy for develop the students' skills. These kind of elements can help for the students, and these kind of things help for the participation in the students. For improve the teacher develop and the students knowledge. um, uh, I think this is the most important things in this unit, and thank you so much, and this is my activity.